Hello everyone, I'm Charan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Now I'm going to discuss about basic file management system. So this is the mini project prepared by our team, me, myself, Darshanem, and Chetan Gowda MD. This project is about a simple project which can be create a file, read file, and delete file. Let's give a brief introduction about the project. At first, let's talk about the agenda. What are the concepts we are discussing in this uh, explanation? So, at first, giving an introduction. Second, what project architecture, how the project is built, what are the components is required to build the project, and the third one is array-based storage. What are the operations uh, we are used in array-based storage to store the memory or store the created file or store the data which is input from the users. So the next is cache memory, which stores the recently accessed data into it. So the last is finite state machine, which is the states between in the machine from right to read or read to write. It depends upon the state which I have been working for. And let's give the brief introduction about our project. At first, what the functions we have used is a read file, which retrieves the file data which is created or which has the data in it. And another one is a write file, which writes writes data and store and also update the cache um, by its functions. Also, the features we have used recently, I have said that we have used cache memory for temporary storage, means recently accessed data or programmed or executed data will be stored in the cache memory. And the next one is array storage. Array storage, like we have used some of the components like creating a file, deleting a file, read file, write file. We have used these type operations in the array-based storage management. And the next is FSM, finite state machine. As I said, this is the state machines which can control the state of a computer, of a machine, or your local system, whatever you're running, you're executing your program. It switches the state from write file to read file, or read file to write file. It's based on the what are the process you are working for. So basically it works like this. So the next.
So I'm going to explain about array-based storage. Stimulates a file storage system using a fixed size array. The first one is key functions. There are two types of functions in array-based storage: read and write function. Read function is to retrieve data by mapping file names to indices. Write function is used to find empty slots to store new files. And there are advantages. Advantages of array-based storage: simple implementation, and the other one is controlled capacity to mimic hardware constraints. The next topic will be explained by Darshan MRD.
Hi, me Darshanyam will be explaining about the cache and finite state memory. Understanding the cache memory, there are types of cache memory which are level 1, level 2 and level 3 cache, each with varying sizes, speeds and access times. And the operation of cache memory is it stores the frequently accessed data, reducing access time to maintain memory and enhancing the performance. And benefits of the cache memory are improved system performances, faster data retrieval, reduces latency and efficient resource utilizations. Finite state machines in computer architecture: a system that can exist in a finite number of states and transition between them based on the input is known as finite state machines. Applications of finite state machines are: it is mainly used in the memory controllers, network protocols and other hardware and software systems. Some of the examples of finite state machines are memory access controls, error detection and correction, and instruction pipelining. MESI protocol, a cache coherence protocol. Modified, which is the cache line is modified and only present in this cache. The cache line is not shared with other caches and only present in this cache. The cache line is shared with other caches and the data is consistent across all caches. The cache line is invalid and needs to be fetched from main memory. Some of the challenges and advancements in cache and finite state memory designs are: at first, capacity, scaling cache size to meet increasing memory demands, then non-volatile cache, which is using emerging technologies to create persistent caches, and energy efficiency, optimizing cache access and reducing the power consumption. At last, machine learning, which is utilizing the machine learning to predict data access patterns and enhance cache performances.
Hello guys, myself Chetan Godamde from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am going to explain a few things about project workflow. In this there are mainly two types, read operation and write operation. Mainly in read operation we have to check FSM state, look in the file in case, fetch from storage if not cached, update cache and return the data. In write operation we have only three methods: check the FSM state, write data to storage, update cache with new data. Thank you.